Hi everyone, it's Marisa from bumblebeeapothecary.com, and today I'd like to talk about skin brushing and show you how to do it and talk about the benefits of it. Skin brushing is one of my favorite gentle things that you can do for detoxification, whether you're on the GAPS diet or just trying to be healthier all around. It's one of my favorite things to do right before a detox bath. It's great for moving the lymph, which helps move toxins out. It can help the liver out if you're focusing on trying to support your liver by supporting those other areas of detoxification in the body and giving your body an easier time overall, taking some of that burden off of the liver. It can also be really great for a gentle exfoliating for the skin. In my research, I've seen some people talk about how it can help with things like cellulite and the appearance of skin and other skin conditions. I personally mostly like it for its detox benefits, like I said, moving that lymph around, as well as how great it is for encouraging good circulation in the skin. But when you do dry brushing, the best time is to do it right before a detox bath, or you could do it before a shower too if you're not doing a detox bath in this particular day. Some people find it energizing, so you might want to keep that in mind and see how you feel afterwards. If that's the case, you might want to do it earlier in the day, but if you find that it just helps you feel good overall, then it's probably fine to do it like in the evening before a detox bath. You want to find a brush that you like the feel of. I will link this particular one that I have below. I really like it because it's all natural bristles and it's just the right amount of stiffness. You can get smaller ones for your face too. That's something that I would like to get, but I've just been using this on the rest of my body. So you want to start far away from your heart at first. So you can start down on your feet. You can do the tops, bottoms of your feet, and then working up your legs with long strokes. You basically work higher up your body, covering all the surfaces. And then after you've done your legs, then you would do your arms. So including your hands, all the surfaces just going up. You want to do a pretty light touch with it. You don't want to be scrubbing really hard or anything. Lymph moves with very gentle pressure, so it's just gently drawing it along your skin. Go with what feels good to you, and you'll do your arms. And then after that, you're going to be moving closer to your heart. So I'll usually do the neck after that, and then stomach. You can do long strokes on your stomach and back, or you can do like a circular motion, whatever feels good for you. And then finishing up close to your heart. And then I like the long handle on this one for getting your back in all the different areas too. So that's the way that you do it, working outward towards your heart always, most of the time in long strokes. And then after that, it's a great time to jump in the shower or especially get into a detox bath. And like with any new detox method, when you're starting it for the first time, you want to go slowly and pay close attention to how you feel afterwards. You might not be ready to do your whole entire body quite at first. You might want to start with just a little bit and work up, because just like anything else, it can cause some detox reaction that might make you feel a little yucky. It's very individual, so you have to go slowly at first and see how it makes you feel. Once you get into it, most likely you'll feel really good afterwards, and it'll be another great thing that you can add to your detox routine. I hope that you found that helpful, and I hope that you give it a try and start incorporating that into your detox routine. Check out that description box for a link to this particular brush that I have that I really like, as well as other goodies like free ebooks and different things. I have a free GAPS Diet Getting Started guide, and also a link to my free class on how to start the GAPS diet with more confidence and less confusion. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with anybody else who you think would like it. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I get out 2 new videos every week on nourishing recipes and natural living. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.